All right, Night Spiral. Let's get into it. YouTube. This is called Fair Use, and it's allowed for purposes of criticism, news reporting, teaching, and parody, which doesn't infringe upon my copyright on the Title 17 USC Section 107. Let's cook. All right, let's get into it. Night Spiral. Let's cook. Let's cook, and we're in Job. All right. See if we can get that a little bigger. All right. Now, the Most High is revealing to Job. You know how he laid the foundations of this footstool, right? Because it tell you right there in scripture, the diagram is a footstool. All right, so we're gonna see what we see. Let's start at 12. All right, it says have you commanded the morning since the days begin, and caused the dawn to know its place, that it might take hold of the ends of the earth, and the wicked be shaken out of it. It takes form like clay under a seal, right? Pressed downward, right? And stands out like a garment. From the wicked, their light is withheld, and the upraised arm is broken. Have you entered the springs of the sea? Have you walked in search of the depths? Have the gates of death been revealed to you? He's asking Job. Or have you seen the doors of the shadow of death? Have you comprehended the breadth, all right, of the earth? Length, width, breadth? Tell me, right? If you know all this, Job, the Most High is asking, right? Verse 19, where is the way to the dwelling of the light? All right, when we're talking about the sun, okay, we're talking about the greater light, the first light, and the darkness, all right, because both was created. Where is its place? That you may take it to its territory, that you may know the paths to its home. Do you know it? Because you were born then. The Most High is asking. Or because the number of your days is great. All right? Now here we go. Now we're cooking. Get that big right there. All right? Have you entered the treasury of snow? Or have you seen the treasury of hell? Huh? Which I have reserved for the time of trouble. And we're talking about Jacob's trouble. All right? For the day of battle and war. Hell. The treasury of hell. All right, Exodus 9 and 18. Bam. And it says, behold, tomorrow about this time, I will cause very heavy hail. All right. And rain down. And when the Most High say rain down, he mean rain down. Such as has not been since Mizraim, since its founding until now. All right. All right, let's get straight on into it. Mexico. Now that last verse we just read, right? I just read. Hey man, look here. I don't know about y'all, but hey man, you know, when I see this video, I mean it fits perfect, right? You know, it's amazing to sit back and see the Most High work. All right? But look here, I don't know I don't know what kind of hell that is, but that shit must came straight out the treasury. Let's go. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You mean to tell me that much hell fell as to where it was crashing roofs and shit, y'all? But look at it on the ground. That ain't snow, that's hell. The debilitating kind. All right. Well, the Most High ain't playing with y'all, man. Look at it. Look at it.
Pregunte, que pregunten. Las de farmacia. Sí, las de farmacia.
Hey, man, look here, man. Hey, man, that was some of that Mizraim hell that the Most High. That the same kind of hell he put on Mizraim, man. Ooh, Pharaoh, let my people go. Look, they out there trying to shovel the hill. Wow. What kind of hill was that? That what Most High said he was reserving it. Man, folk can't even walk, man. Them folk can't even walk. Wow. That's a lot of damn hell, man. And look at, man, that's that debilitating hell right there. But shut down the whole city. You feel me? That's the Most High. All right, Mexico, tighten up. Tighten up, Mexico. The Most High done went into the treasury of hell and got some fresh hell for you. The same kind he put on. The same kind he put on Mizraim ass. Now that's that special hell. Or the kind that crashed through your roof.
Impresionante aquí en Santa Lucía, el cruce de Santa Lucía y Juan Caucín, se hizo un caos por la nieve y aquí quedó algo impresionante.
Wow. Well, you can't do nothing. You can't do nothing with that. Wow. Okay, think it's a game. Judgment on the nations, man. I keep telling y'all, Genesis 15. Genesis 15. Wow, moving the whole street. No, man. It ain't gonna work. Most High did it. Well, can you just imagine? All right. The thing just ping-ponging on you. Ping, ping, pong. Yep. Most High did it. Wow. Wow. Damn. Wow. That's all I can say. Hey, look here, man. No respect to a person. Man, look here. Most High, no respect to a persons, right? All right. That's sacred ground anyway over there. Down there. This whole landmass. Let's go. We want it back. All right, man. That being said, y'all know who did it.